So are you a real estate agency owner and you're tired of replying to all the inquiries that you receive from your lead on WhatsApp? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for real estate lead qualification. So I am an owner of a real estate agency business and I receive a lot of inquiries from my leads on WhatsApp. Now replying to all of them individually and manually is a very time consuming task. So to solve the problem, I have created an AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow for my WhatsApp. So now as I've created this assistant, whenever I receive any of the inquiries from my leads on WhatsApp, automatically this assistant is going to reply to all the questions. So now we want to learn the entire process of how you can create this AI assistant for your business as well. I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. So I am a real estate agency business owner, and as I've already told you in the introduction, I receive multiple lead inquiries on WhatsApp, and for the solution to replying all of the inquiries automatically, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow for my WhatsApp. And firstly, let me give you a glimpse of how this amazing AI agent works in real time. This is the AI assistant that I've created, and towards this assistant, I'm going to send a message. Let's suppose I will write over here as, hello, I want to know about properties in Bhopal. Okay. Hello, I want to know about properties in Bhopal. I'm going to send this message towards this AI assistant, and as soon as I'm going to send this message right here, within few seconds this AI assistant is going to give me a reply. And as the few seconds have passed by, you can see right here, I have received a message from this AI assistant as, here are some property currently available in Bhopal, 2 BHK apartment and the 2 BHK flat with all the other details of the apartment you can see right here. In the similar manner, I'm going to ask more questions towards this bot. So my next question over here is going to be, I want to know about your business. Okay, I'm going to send this question towards this bot, and within few seconds you can see this bot has replied to me, sure. Here's an overview of Urban Nest Realty. This is the name of my business. About Urban Nest Realty. Urban Nest Realty is a real estate consultancy and brokerage firm dedicated for helping individuals and families find their dream houses and commercial spaces. Over here it has given the benefits also. It says if you have any specific questions or need further information, feel free to ask. Okay. In the similar manner, if I'm going to ask a new question, that is, what are the pricing of your services? Okay, I'm going to send this question towards this bot now. And I have received the message. Here are the pricing plans of Urban Nest Realty, starter plan, premium plan and the enterprise plan with the amount and the services included. Okay. So now in this manner, this amazing AI assistant is going to reply to all my leads inquiries on WhatsApp. And now I will tell you the process of how you can create this amazing AI assistant for your business as well without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, in a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After browsing the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to tell you about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share feedback and find amazing automation tips as well. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description box below. So now let us create the amazing automation. After coming to the landing page, you will find two options in front of you. That is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. That means you already have a valid Pabbly account. But if you're a new user, that means you don't have an account, then you can simply sign up for free and get 100 free credit points every month, using which you can explore Pabbly Chatflow's feature. Okay, I'm already a user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account, and then you will find the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you, where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. You can see right over here. Now what is this Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool that will help you to manage your WhatsApp conversations and send WhatsApp messages efficiently. To add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to click on this Add WhatsApp Number, and you will find two methods to add your number: the WhatsApp Connect method and the Manual Token Connect method. If you want to learn the steps of how you can add your WhatsApp number for either of these methods, you can find the links of both of the videos in the description box below and add your WhatsApp number from here, okay? So now, as you can add multiple numbers in Pabbly Chatflow, you can create folders for each new number. For that, click on this plus button and create your own individual folders according to your different numbers that you've added. Pabbly Chatflow also provide multiple features, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which you will find all the options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the videos that we have already created and uploaded, and we have added the link of each and every video in the description box below. So go and check it out, okay? So now to create this amazing AI assistant, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go towards this AI assistant panel option right here, okay? And then we land towards the AI assistant page of our Pabbly Chatflow account. Now to create a new AI assistant in our account, what we are going to do is we are going to click on this Add AI Assistant button right here. And firstly, we have to name our AI assistant. For the name of this AI assistant, I'm going to give over here as Urban Nest Realty Assistant, as this is the name of my business, that is Urban Nest Realty. I have named my assistant in this manner, okay? And then simply I'm going to click on this Add AI Assistant button right here. And as soon as I'm going to do that, automatically this AI assistant has been added in my account. Now over here, firstly, we have to select the AI instructions. What is this AI assistant about? How is it going to help the users and what it is going to do? So we have to select the type first. For the type, I'm going to select it as AI agent. This AI assistant is an AI agent that is going to reply to all my users' inquiries. So I'm going to select this instruction type right here, okay? Next, it is asking for the instructions. Over here, it is asking for the roles and all the other details. You can modify all these things according to your requirement of what you want of your AI assistant to do and all the details, okay? Now, next over here, it is asking for the AI configuration. First is the temperature. Temperature is the kind of creative reply this AI assistant is going to give towards our leads, okay? You will get the option from 0 to 1. I'm going to set up the temperature over here as 0.7 as I'm leaning towards the more creative replies, okay? Now next over here it is asking for us to select the AI to use. I'm going to select OpenAI as my AI agent right here. We just have the option of the AI agent as OpenAI, so I'm going to select over here OpenAI. And for the AI model, I will select over here as GPT-4o Mini. If you want to use any other AI models, you can definitely select it according to your requirement, okay? Next, we have to provide the API key. Now this API key is the key from your OpenAI account. From where are we going to find the key? For that, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here, and then you will land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. Now to generate a new key, simply click on this create new secret key button. Firstly, we have to name our key. For the key name over here, let's suppose I'm going to write it as new. For the project, I'm going to select the default project for now. Permissions, you all need to select it as all and create the key from here, okay? This is the key. Simply copy this key over here and paste it in this API key section and click on this connect button. As soon as you're going to do that, it says OpenAI key saved successfully. As now this key is saved successfully, after that it is asking for the AI assistant settings. Header message, footer message, stop keywords, read items and fallback message, okay? So now over here you can select all these details according to your requirement, okay? I want to enable this fallback message. Now when this fallback message is going to be forwarded, so let's suppose your key over here has some problem, your API key has a problem, so this fallback message is going to be forwarded towards your lead. I have written the fallback message as I am here to assist you with questions related to company information or support. If you have any questions about our services or need assistance with something specific, feel free to reply and ask, okay? So this fallback message is only going to be forwarded when this OpenAI key is not going to work properly, okay? So now after adding in all the details right over here, our first setup, that is AI instructions, is successfully done. Now we have to move forward towards the knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? we have to provide a knowledge source, that is a knowledge base towards our AI assistant. And using that knowledge base, according to the details that we have entered in it, this AI assistant is going to reply to all the questions towards our leads. Okay, I have already created a knowledge base for my business. You can see right over here. It is a briefly detailed knowledge base in which I've added all the details right over here, the type of properties that are available in the areas with the addresses and everything. What are the services that I provide? What are the benefits? You can see right away property types that we offer. You can see all the things has been mentioned right here. Okay. And right here you can see these are the property types. I'm going to show you more things. Cities that we serve, the pricing plan that we have with all the other details, what is our business about and everything. Okay. Now through this knowledge base, this AI assistant is going to reply to all the questions that my lead is going to ask on WhatsApp. Okay. So now we're going to upload this knowledge base in our AI assistant that we are creating right here. And remember, the TXT file can only be uploaded in this knowledge base. So I'm going to click on this button right over here. This is my knowledge base, that is the TXT file. I'm going to open it right here, okay? And the knowledge base is now will be uploaded, okay? You can see this is the base, it has been uploaded, okay? So as now this knowledge base is uploaded right over here, the knowledge source section part is done, okay? Now over here in this knowledge base, I've added the property details. So let's suppose this property is in Bhopal, this is in Indore, this is in Mumbai. You can see these are the property details. So now you can update the properties that you have in your business according to your requirement every time you have new property listings. Okay, you can update the listings right here in the knowledge base, and every time you're going to update it, you have to upload it right here. Okay, you have to manually upload the knowledge base right over here every time you're going to update your knowledge base. Okay, so now as I've added my knowledge source, next is assistant interface. So now what is assistant interface? How it is going to look on your website. Okay. So this is the assistant right over here. This is how it is going to look. Firstly, we have to enter the name. For the name over here, I'm going to write it as Urban Nest Realty as the name of my assistant right here. You can see it is updated as Urban Nest Realty. Okay. Header over here, this is the header. We are online and happy to assist you. I do not want to change it, so I'm going to skip the part. Initial message, you can see this is the initial message. You can enter two initial messages right over here that this AI assistant is going to forward towards our leads. Okay. Over here for the display of powered by Pabbly, if you want to disable it, you can select it according to your requirement as well. I'm going to enable it from here. Okay. Next is the footer text. You can change this footer text into a hyperlink as well by simply adding the link right here. Okay. And the initial first message I have selected over here as I need help. Using this initial message, automatically this AI assistant is going to be turned on. Okay. So now after entering, this is the AI assistant interface, and lastly is the styling, like the colors, logos. You can update everything according to your requirement. Okay. I have successfully created this AI assistant in my Pabbly Chatflow account. Firstly, we have to turn on this AI assistant. For that, simply toggle this button on and save this AI assistant from here. Now over here, if you want to add this AI assistant into your website, simply go to this embedded right over here and you will find this script. Copy the script from here and enter it into your website, and this AI assistant will be added on your website as well. Okay, you can select the embedded type also from here. Okay. So now this AI assistant is successfully created. Okay. I want this AI assistant to reply to all the contacts, all the messages that I received from my leads. For that, simply what you need to do is go towards the settings option right over here. In settings, go to the inbox settings option right over here, and in the inbox settings, if I'm going to scroll down, you will find the option that is AI auto reply settings. Okay, enable the AI auto replies. If you receive any of the inquiries that AI can handle, we have to simply toggle this button on and the AI will reply. Okay. Over here, you can select the contact list. So suppose I want to select it for all the contacts. So I'm going to select over here all the contacts. And for the AI assistant, select the AI assistant that we have just now created and save it from here. You can add more rules according to your requirement. Okay. So now in this manner, this AI assistant can reply to all the contacts messages that I will receive from my lead. Okay. So now as I've created this AI assistant, you can see right over here successfully. Now we are going to again test whether this AI assistant is replying to all the messages or not. Okay. So on my WhatsApp, I'm going to send a new query. I'm going to write over here, hey, I need help. Okay, I'm going to send this message. And as soon as I've written, hey, I need help, this AI assistant has written, I'm here to assist you. Questions related to company information or support. Okay, let's suppose I want to know about the support details. So I want to write over here as, I want your company support details. I'm going to send this message towards this bot, and as soon as I'm going to send this message within few seconds, you can see towards this question I have received a reply. You can reach Urban Nest Realty support team through the following details. The email address and the phone number has been provided to me. You can see right over here. Okay, so as now I've received this reply successfully, this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. In the similar manner, it is going to ask all the questions. If you want, I will ask one more question right here. I want to know about the properties in Delhi and Mumbai. Okay, so I'm going to send this message right over here towards this bot. And now as I've sent this message towards this AI assistant right here, within few seconds you can see I've received the reply. Delhi properties, these are the Delhi properties you can see that are available, and these are the Mumbai properties you can see right over here with the price and all the other details. Okay, so now as I've received this reply, this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to reply to our leads inquiries automatically. It is going to give them property listings and all the other details as well. Okay, so this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time, and we have now successfully built this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn how you can create more AI assistant for different use cases and businesses in your business as well, you can check out our YouTube channel. If you have any questions related to this AI assistant, you can ask us all the questions in the description box below, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.